Hello students, today's our topic is related to the DOE worksheet number 42. Now we have to solve the problems related to the tangent to the circle. Now we have already done that if it in a circle, if a point A outside the circle, then the length of the tangent from the external point of the circle are equal. Now, and there is one and only one tangent passing through a point on the circle. We have to already done this thing. Now we have to solve some question related to this. Number of the tangent from a point on the circle. You have to find how many tangent passing through a point. Now you know that only the one tangent passing through a single point. The tangent touching the circle at dash tangent touch the circle at the point of contact. Now next is the length of tangent from a point outside the circle are equal. Now here this is the point A outside the circle, then AC is equal to AB. So their length are equal. Now our first question is, in this given figures, find the perimeter of the triangle ACB if PC is equal to 28 centimeter. Now you have to find the perimeter of triangle ACB. Now you know that the length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. Here C is the point outside the circle. So you get PC is equal to QC. That are the length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. Now here this is the A, that is the external point. So PA is equal to AR. And here B is the external point. So BQ is equal to BR. Now you have to given that the length of PC that is equal to 28, then the length of QC that is also 28, because the length of tangent from external point of the circle are equal. Now you can write this PC as PA plus AC. Now PA that is equal to AR. We have to prove that length of tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So you can write PA as AR plus AC. Now, and again you can write QC that is equal to 28 centimeter given a, and then you can write QC is equal to QB plus BC. Now QB that is equal to BR. So you write it as BR plus BC. When we add 1 and 2, what we get? 28 plus 28, that is equal to 56. Now this is AR plus BR. AR plus BR, it is AB plus AC plus BC. So that is the perimeter of the triangle. And you know that the perimeter of the triangle, that is the sum of the side. So AB plus BC plus AC, that is equal to 56. That is the perimeter of triangle. Now we have to solve the example number 2. Prove that the angle formed between the two tangent to a circle from a point outside it is supplementary to the angle subtended at the center by the line segment joining the point of contact. Now, you know that here AC is perpendicular to CE. Why? Because radius is perpendicular to the tangent to the point of contact. So this angle 1 is 90 degree. Similarly, this angle 2, that is also 90 degree. Now you observe that ADEC, that is the quadrilateral, and you know that the sum of the angles of the quadrilateral that is equal to 360 degree. So angle 1 plus 2 plus angle CED plus angle CAD, that is equal to 360 degree. Now angle 1 that is 90 degree, angle 2 90 degree plus angle CED plus angle CAD, that is equal to 360. 90 plus 90, that is equal to 180 degree plus this angle is equal to 360 degree. So you get this sum of these two angles. This angle plus this angle is equal to 360 minus 180, that is equal to 180 degree. Now the example number 3. Now in this given figure, find angle DOB. This is the DOB. You have to find this angle and angle ODC. ODC and this angle. You want to find this angle. Now you know that angle DOB, this angle plus angle DAB is equal to 180 degree. These are the supplementary angle. So this angle is equal to 40 degree. Then what angle this is equal to 180 minus 40. So you get this angle is equal to 140 degree. So this angle is 140 degree DOP. Now also, now this angle, that is the reflex angle. Then the angle DOB is equal to 360 minus 140, that is equal to 220 degree. Now angle OBE. Now here OB, that is the radius, and AE, that is the tangent. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so this angle is equal to 90 degree. Now this angle 75 already given to you, and 90 minus 75, you get this angle is equal to 15 degree. So this angle is equal to 15 degree. Now here this angle, DBR subtends angle DOB at the center and angle DCB at the circumference. And you know that angle at the center is double the circumference. Now this angle is 140, then this angle is 70 degree. So you get this angle 70 degree, this angle 15 degree, this angle 220 degree. And you have to find this angle. So this is quadrilateral. Sum of the angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So when we add this angle is 220 plus 15 plus 70 plus angle ODC, that is equal to 360 degree. Then you get this angle ODC is equal to 360. When we add this, we get result 305. So 360 minus 305, you get result 55 degree. Now the question number 1 is find the value of M for the given figures which the C is the center of the circle. Now you know that angle M plus 3M is equal to 180 degree. These are the supplementary angles. Now M plus 3M, that is equal to 4M, is equal to 180. So value of M, that is equal to 180 by 4. When we cutting it, we get this result 45 degree. Now the question number 2, in this given figure, J is the center of the circle. Find the value of X. Now here G is the point outside the circle. You know that the length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So GH is equal to GI. So value of GH, that is equal to X plus 10, and GI, that is equal to 2X minus 1. Now taking 2x to the right hand side, then it becomes 2x minus x, and minus 1 to the left hand side, and 10 plus 1, it becomes 11. So value of x is equal to 11. Now this is the question number 2 and question number 3. Now in this question number 3, two tangents makes an angle 120 degree with each other drawn to the circle of the radius 6 cm. Show that the length of the tangent is 2 under root 3 cm. Now you have to given here BC and AC are the tangents. This makes an angle 120 degree. And you have to prove that AC is equal to BC, that is equal to 2 under root 3 centimeter. Now you know that the center lies on the bisector of the angles between two tangents. Now here this center and this is the tangents, and here this angle. So this angle 1 is equal to this angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. So angle 1, that is 60, and angle 2 is 60 degrees. Now you also know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. So angle OAB is equal to 90 degree. So in right angle triangle OAC, now here this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 60 degree. So AC is base and OP is perpendicular and OC is hypotenuse. So you have to given OA and you have to find AC. So OA upon AC, perpendicular upon base, you get tangent of 60 degree. And tangent of 60, its value is under root 3. OA, that is equal to 6 over AC, that is equal to under root 3. Taking under root 3 to the denominator and AC to the numerator, you get 6 over under root 3 is equal to AC. Now you rationalize the denominator, that is 6 under root 3 into under root 3 over under root 3. So you get 6 under root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 to the 6. So 2 under root 3, that is equal to AC. And AC is equal to BC because length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So its value is also 2 under root 3 centimeter that you want to prove it. Now the question number 4. Now question number 4, you have to given a circle touches the side EF of the triangle DEF at the point P and touches DE and DF at the Q and R respectively. When produced, show that DQ is equal to half the perimeter of the triangle DEF. Now this is figure given to you circle, and this is DEF is triangle. When DQ and DR it touches the circle at the point Q and R, and EF touches at P, that is given to you. And you have to show that DQ, that is equal to half the perimeter of the triangle DEF. Now you have to do this question similarly as above. Now we know that D is the point outside the circle, and you know that the length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So DQ is equal to DR. Similarly, E is the point outside the circle. So QE is equal to EP. And here the F is the point outside the circle. So RF is equal to PF. So we get this result, length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. Now you observe that here DQ that is equal to DQE plus DE. So QE that is equal to PE. Length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So you write QE as a PE plus EQ. Now similarly, you can write DR is equal to RF plus FT. Now RF is equal to PF. We have to prove this. So you can write this RF as a PF plus FT. Now adding 1 and 2. When we add, then what we get? We get this thing is equal to DQ plus DR, that is equal to PE plus PF. When we add PE plus PF, it becomes EF. So this is the EF and this is ED plus FD. This is ED plus FD. So this becomes the perimeter of the triangle. You know that the perimeter of the triangle, that is the sum of the side. So DQ is equal to DR. Length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. So you can write DQ, and here DR you write as DQ. So, so 2 times DQ is equal to EF plus FD plus ED plus FD. When we add, this is the perimeter of the triangle. This 2 take to the right hand side. We get 1 by 2 the perimeter of the triangle. I think so you must understand this. Thank you. Hello students, today's our topic is worksheet number 48. Now we have to solve the DOE worksheet circle. Now label this part of the given diagram and situation point of contact, radius and tangent. Now here this is a circle, name it A. In this figure, the circle touch this line at the point A. This point is called the point of contact. Here AC, that is the tangent which touch the circle at the one point, and this is called the tangent. Here OA and OC, name it OB. Here OA and OB, that are the radius of the circle. So A is the point of contact, AC is the tangent, and A is the point of contact. Now the question number 2, show that the two tangent AB and AC of the circle with the center O having the point of contact at the point B and C respectively. Now you have to given this circle, O is the center, here A is the point outside the circle, and AB and AC, these are the two tangent. Here B and C are the point of contact. Now the question number 3, From a point C, the length of the tangent to the circle is 8 centimeter and distance of the curve from the center is 10 centimeter and the radius, then the radius of the circle is. Now, this is given a circle, O is the center here. OC, that is the radius, CQ, its length is given to you 8 centimeter and OQ, that is equal to 10 centimeter. You know that the radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. So this angle OCQ, that is equal to 90 degree. So in right angle triangle OCQ, you know that hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Here OQ, that is hypotenuse, OC perpendicular and CQ, that is the base. So you have to substitute this value. OQ, that is the 10 square is equal to OC square is equal to CQ, that is equal to 8 square. 10 square 100 minus 8 square 64. 100 minus 64, that is 36. Square goes to the left hand side, it becomes square root. So 36 under root, that is equal to 6 centimeter. So you get OC is equal to 6 centimeter. So the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter. Many tangents can be drawn to a circle. Now, here you have to given this circle. If you take this point, this point, this point, this point, and so on, then you can draw infinite number of the tangent to the circle. So this statement, more than many tangents can be drawn to the circle, is true. Now the question number 5 is more than 2 tangent can be parallel to a secant. Now here we have to draw this circle. Now this is a secant and this is the tangent. You observe that only the 2 tangents parallel to a secant. So here our question is more than 2 tangent parallel to a secant is false. So result is false. Now the question number 6, the tangent at a point of the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So your answer is radius. The dash of the tangents drawn from external point of the circle are equal. The length of the tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are equal. So your answer is length. Now the question number 8. If TP and TQ are the 2 tangent to a circle with center O, so that angle POQ is equal to 110, then find the angle PTQ. Now you have to given this angle POQ 110 and you have to find this angle. Now you know that this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. These are the supplementary angle. So angle POQ plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. Now this angle given to you 110, you substitute it, plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree. So you get angle PTQ is equal to 180 minus 110, that is equal to 70 degree. So your answer is 70. Now the next question is, 2 concentric circles are of the radius 13 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touch the smaller circle at a point. Now you have to given these 2 circles. This is the circle C1 and this is the circle C2. Now the word is concentric circle. The concentric means 2 or more than 2 circles having the same center. These are called the concentric circle. So here O is the center and you have to given OA, that is the radius of the biggest circle, that is equal to 13 centimeter, and OC, that is the radius of the smaller circle, that is given to you 5 centimeter. Now you have to find the length of AB. You observe that AB is the chord of the larger circle and it is the tangent to the smaller circle. And you know that OC, that is the radius of the smaller circle, that is perpendicular to AB. Radius is perpendicular to the tangent through the point of contact. So this angle ACO, that is equal to 90 degree. Now in right angle triangle AOC, OA square is equal to OC square plus AC square by using the Pythagoras theorem. So you substitute this value. OA, that is equal to 13 square. OC, that is equal to 5 square plus AC square. Now taking 5 to the right hand side, 13 square 169, 5 square 25 is equal to AC square. 169 minus 25, that is equal to 144. Square becomes the square root. So 144 square root is equal to 12 centimeters. So you get AC is equal to 12 centimeter. Now you here observe this AC. This AC, you get this AC 12 centimeter. And you know that perpendicular from center to the chord, bisect the chord. So AC is equal to CB, that is also 12 centimeter. So you have to find the length AB. So AB is 12 plus 12, that is equal to 24 centimeter. So length of AB you get, that is 24 centimeter. Now the next question is, now question number 10 is, in this given figure, this figure given to you, AC is equal to 10 units. Then find the length of BD. You have to find this length. Now you have to given this AC, that is 10 centimeter. You observe that here this B point, that is the external point of this first circle. So AB is equal to BD. Length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. Now here again B is the external point of the second circle. So you get BC is equal to BD. That is also the length of the tangent from external point of the circle are equal. From here AB is equal to BD is equal to BC. So these three are equal. Now up here AB is equal to BC. That means B is a midpoint of AC. So AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Then AB is equal to BC. That is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5 centimeter. So AB is 5 and BC is 5. And you know that AB is equal to BC is equal to BD, that is equal to 5 centimeter. So the length of BD, that is equal to 5 centimeter, that we want to prove. So I think so you must understand this. Thank you.